Hi guys, how are you? Here your friend Rajnikant Excel Guru with part 2. Previously I used to cover 6, totally 6. Now I start from 7. MIS question 8 6 part 2. Previously I used to complete still 6 questions. Now from 7 I start to complete. Okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box and don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you will not understand. Not only that, in between, every time in between, I am going to show you some amazing hidden feature in MS Excel. Okay. Now jumping to question 7. Everyone thinking it's a very hard one, but it's very easy one. Okay, very easy one. Everyone thinks like that only, but it's very easy. Okay, I'll zoom. Here, first of all, you have to check it in local currency. In local currency, you have to check it as per the country. Okay, here is another table. For UK, pound. India, rupees. Japan, yen. Okay, so these are the exchange rates. Okay, so you have to find it out how much it will. It's a dollar, so you have to convert into a as per this codes. If it is this one, how much? I mean, if it is pound, how much? If it is a rupee, how much? If it is a yen, how much? This is the exchange rate. Okay, so keep concentration on this. It's very easy. First of all, what you want to extract, I mean, what you want to find, we want to find the exchange rates. Okay, we want to find exchange rate. I will minimize. Right, we want to find the exchange rate from here. Okay, simply as per country. Okay, as per country, you have to extract exchange rate. Okay, it's very easy. Is equal to index is a lookup function. It can look either row or column or both. This means a two-way, row and column way. Okay, index, what you need exchange rate. Okay, F4 locking from all sides, comma, match with country. It's a relative reference. For that reason I am not freezing this cell. Okay, India in this F4, sorry, lookup, India, comma, 0 exact match. Okay, control enter. So we got now India is 99.5. the pre-formatted one 0.66 here counting. So we'll make it like this. Format painter, this one. India 53.55, India 53.55, UK 0.66, Japan 9915, Japan. Okay, now you have to convert this into a, first of all we will convert this into a currency by multiplying with this. Okay, F2, multiply with this, control enter. Okay, now you got this one, right? Now how you will get this one now? As simple as before I said. Here come first of the first after equal to first one, same formula, index, this one, F4, comma, match India, comma, in this same range F4, comma, 0. close parenthesis until you see black parenthesis ampersand. You are joining the two things, control enters. Now see the magic, right? For UK it is a pound, for UK it is a pound, for India it is a rupee, for India it is a rupee, for Japan it is a yen, for Japan it is a yen. Okay, so simple as, but everyone will get confused only by seeing this one. Only seeing by this one everyone will get confused. Okay, now I think you understood. Now coming to this one is very important. If you have doubts, ask me in the comment box. And question number 8, what I said, do a data validation such that only Tuesday dates only enter in a range. If I enter date other than Tuesday, so it should not allow me to do that one. It is a Tuesday. Okay, is equal to how to do. Okay, so select the range, Alt DL, go to custom, is equal to, it is very easy, text, open bracket, take this cell, comma, DD, close parenthesis, is equal to Tuesday. Because I gave only 3 days, for that reason if you give more than 3 days you have to enter the full weekday. Okay, understood? Error alert, enter only Tuesday dates. Copy this one and paste over here. Enter. See, its data validation is over. Now if I enter any other than Tuesday, upon next day only, okay, is equal to this one plus 1, enter only Tuesday dates. Okay, I'll zoom, I'll show you, is equal to this plus 1, enter Tuesday dates only. Okay, is equal to plus 5, retry, is equal to plus 6. What will happen? Okay, 7 I think so, cancel, 7 I think so, is equal to this plus 7, Tuesday. This one is also a Tuesday. If you want you can check it. I did a copy like this, just drag this formula. Okay, any date, I'll pick up a random date. Okay, random date. Let's see. Yes, it's working because this date is a Tuesday. If you drag this formula, see, random date. See, it is not a Tuesday. Okay, understood, guys? Now coming to 9th question. What I said, how to find the work days per month, Wednesday and Saturday, only offs are there. So find total working days in a month. How to find that one? There is an amazing function called Network International. I'll zoom a little bit. Network International. It will give you all those things. Start date, this one only. Relative reference, end date, Evo month, this one 0. Okay, first of all I'll do like this, 22 days are working days. Okay, here I'll show you one thing. See, I said Wednesday and Saturday are not there in this list. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday only, Monday only, Tuesday only, Wednesday only, Thursday only, Friday only, Saturday only. But you did not find Saturday and Wednesday. Okay. So here it is the magic. Working days will count as a 0. Non-working days will count as a 1. So 0. So totally 7 are there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is off, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is off, Sunday. If you enter like this, it will consider as a number. It will show you 10010. But we need 7 digits. I will show you what it is. 0, working day, 1, non-working day. Okay. Have to add 2 zeros before that and convert it as a text. Okay, 0 is a working day, 0 is working day, 1 is non-working day. Means it's a holiday. 1 is a holiday. Okay. If you want, you can go to the help and check it out. F2, comma, weekend. This one lock from all sides. Okay, control enter, double click. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The same thing is came. Let's see, everything is right or wrong. Yes. Okay. If I change this one like 0, only 1 off. Okay, let it be only 1 off. That is on Saturday only. Let's see. Value errors. Why value errors? Everything is right. Why value errors? Somewhere wrong here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 4, 6 only I did. F2, another 0. Yes. Only 1 non-working day. Remaining all are working days. If I keep Monday starts from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday is off. See. Okay, guys. 0 is working day, 1 is non-working day. So if it is not available in this one, so you have to use in this way. Okay. If it is not available in this, the offs which is not available, then you have to do in this way. Okay, guys. And next, coming to the 10th question, last question. Find the position of mentioned student from bottom to top. Desired output shown in the image. This one. So GHI is here. See. Okay. This is the image. GHI 9. So how to find? First of all, we will make it match to check whether which position it is there. Okay. Control shift down arrow. Okay. Match this one, comma, that whole array, comma, 0. Okay, we got the position where it is. GHI is in 3rd position. Now check whether how many are there. Counter. F2. Counter. This whole thing minus this thing. Now check whether it is working or not. Counter will count how many are there. F9. First of all, I will enter and I will show you. Enter. Counter will work how many are there. T is there. Counter will work, show us how many are there. F2. F9. So 11 are there. Okay. Match 11 minus 3, 9. Sorry, 10. 11 minus 3, 9. Okay, 9 only. Control, enter. 8. Okay, so it is not in 8 position. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 is JKL but not GHI. So add 1. If you change this one like Excel, so it will show you the here second one. If you change this Guru, it will show you the 1. If you change this to ABC, here I will show you without clicking the mouse. Without clicking here, how can you do drop down? Okay, you want to see drop down. Okay, there is a one amazing thing wherever it may be. So go to here without touching mouse, Alt down arrow, Alt plus down arrow. Okay, Alt plus down arrow. See, wherever I am there, just I am going there, pressing Alt down arrow. See, my mouse is here. See guys, my mouse is okay. Here, okay. Here, escape. See, my mouse is here. I click here. I'm moving. I'm only keyboard. I'm touching, not the mouse. If you want, you can see. If I click here, the mouse will come to here, but it is there only. Okay. Alt down arrow. See, if the names are there like this, you want to select another name which is not, which is already you entered before that. ABC is there, so you want to enter double time GHI. Okay, the name, Alt down arrow, search there GHI, Alt down arrow, JKL. Okay guys, if you understand, please let me know in the comment box. If you have any doubts, please let me know. And I already said that don't skip the video. Thank you guys, thanks for your support, and make sure that everyone should like, share and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, so that you will get, whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification to your mail ID also. Thank you guys.